Hello everyone, I'm right. Hello, I'm left. You know what atoms are, yeah? So, are the atoms same? Of course not! So, what are different types of atoms called? They're called elements. Today we will talk about elements, atomic numbers, chemical symbols, and so on. So, let's look at our old friend, the oxygen atom. You probably remember that it has 8 protons, 8 neutrons, and 8 electrons. And this carbon atom has 6 protons, 8 neutrons, and 8 electrons. I think most of you know that oxygen is a gas in the atmosphere, and carbon is a solid that is in charcoal. They're completely different. So, what makes them different? You can see that only the numbers of protons are different. The number of protons in an atom determines what kind of atom it is. Chemists call the number of protons in an atom as atomic number. So we can say that any atom with its atomic number 6 is carbon, and any atom with the atomic number 8 is oxygen. In conclusion, atomic numbers make elements different. Until now, the year 2021, there are 118 known elements. So, left! As a future chemist, you must remember the names of all elements! All elements! You! I will kill you! No! I have a simple way. The chemists made chemical symbols for remembering the element's names more easily. A chemical symbol of an element consists of 1 or 2 letters. Remember that the first letter is always uppercase. And the second one, if there is always lowercase. For example, the chemical symbol of carbon is C, the chemical symbol of oxygen is O, and the chemical symbol of chlorine is Cl. It seems that the chemical symbol of an element is always the first or the first 2 letters of the element's full name. But it doesn't always happen. For example, the chemical symbol of lead is Pb. That's because in the ancient times, lead was called plumbum. And the chemical symbol of gold is Au. That is because people named it from the Latin word aurum, A-U-R-U-M, which means shiny. Wow, shiny gold, I want it. Oh, and you know that atomic mass is the mass of an atom in AMU. But what about an element? Well, the atomic mass of an element is the average of the atomic masses of all atoms of that element. Let's look at carbon. The atomic mass of most carbon atoms is 12, but a few of them have the mass of 13, and some even have the mass of 14. So, chemists calculated the average, which is about 12.009 AMU. And you know that it's not 13 because there's so many carbon-12 atoms. That's the atomic mass of carbon. Today, we learned about elements, atomic numbers, chemical symbols, and elements' atomic masses. Next time, we will tell you about the periodic table.